Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into an important topic that affects us all during the summer heat months, heat stroke. As a nutritionist, fitness expert and lifestyle improvement coach, I'm excited to share valuable tips to keep you and your loved ones safe and cool under the sun. But before we begin, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of health enthusiasts. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Show some love by liking and sharing this video to spread awareness. Let's start by understanding what heat stroke is. Heat stroke is a serious condition where the body's core temperature rises to dangerous levels, typically above 104 degree Fahrenheit, that is 40 degrees Celsius, due to prolonged exposure to heat and humidity. Now let's talk about the symptoms of heat stroke. Watch out for signs such as high body temperature, hot and dry skin, rapid heart rate, flushed skin, headache, dizziness, nausea, confusion, and in severe cases, seizures or loss of consciousness also. Heat stroke can have serious health effects, including organ damage and even death if not treated properly. It's crucial to recognize the symptoms and take preventing measures on right time. Now let's first understand the symptoms of heat stroke and what exactly happens to your body. Number 1, high body temperature. Heat stroke occurs when the body's core temperature rises above 104 degree Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius due to prolonged exposure to high temperatures and humidity. The body's cooling mechanisms such as sweating may become overwhelmed. Number 2, hot and dry skin. In heat stroke, the skin becomes hot and dry due to the touch as sweating ceases. This is a sign that the body is unable to regulate its temperature effectively. Number 3, rapid heart rate, that is tachycardia. The heart beats faster than normal as it rises to pump blood to the skin surface to release heat and maintain core temperature. Number 4, flushed skin. Blood vessels dilate in an attempt to dissipate heat, causing the skin to appear flushed or redden. Number 5, headache and dizziness. Heat can cause blood vessels in the brain to expand, which is also called as vasodilatation, leading to headaches, dizziness, and sometimes confusion. Number 6, nausea and vomiting. Heat stress can disrupt gastrointestinal function, resulting in nausea, vomiting, and abdominal discomfort. Number 7, confusion or unconsciousness. A body temperature rises, the brain function can be impaired, leading to confusion, disorientation, irritability, or even loss of consciousness. Recognizing these symptoms is critical because heat stroke is a medical emergency that requires immediate treatment. Delayed intervention can lead to serious complications, including organ damage or, in extreme levels, even death. Number 8, seizures. In several cases of heat stroke, the brain can be affected by the extreme heat, resulting in seizures or convulsions. Now let's talk about what are the home remedies for heat stroke. Before you go for home remedies, the first and important thing is understanding the symptoms of heat stroke. And once you know these are the symptoms of heat stroke, please immediately take that person to the nearest healthcare provider for timely treatment. Now, let's talk about home remedies for heat stroke. Number 1 is cool water compress or bath. Applying cool water to the skin or taking a cool bath helps lower body temperature by facilitating heat loss through evaporation. Number 2, electrolyte rich foods or fluids. Drink electrolyte rich fluids like sports drinks or coconut water to replace salts lost during sweat and maintain hydration. For example, quickly you can take a glass of water, add some salt and some sugar to it, and give it to that person who's suffering from heat stroke. This will immediately help to replace salts which are lost through excessive sweating and maintain the hydration. Rest in a cool environment. Resting in a cool shaded area with proper ventilation allows the body to recover and regulate its body temperature naturally. Now, here are some preventive measures. Number one, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when outdoors or engaging in physical activities to prevent dehydration and maintain body temperature. Wherever you are going, carry your own water bottle along with you. This will help you to stay hydrated wherever you are. If you are going outdoors and there is a harsh sun outside, then avoid prolonged sun exposure, especially during peak hours like 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., and take breaks in shaded or cool areas. Wear appropriate clothing. Opt for loose, lightweight, and light colored clothing to help your body regulate temperature and facilitate sweat evaporation. Avoid wearing jackets or dark or black color clothing when you are going out in sun. Instead, use cotton or soft cotton, thin clothes which are light colored to help you regulate your body temperature and facilitate sweat evaporation. Here are now 5 expert tips to prevent heat stroke and stay calm and cool during this summer. Number 1, know your limits. Avoid strenuous activities in extreme heat and listen to your body's signals to prevent overexertion. Number 2, use cooling devices. Use fans, air conditionings, or cooling towels to aid in heat dissipation and keep your body temperature stable. Number 3, monitor vulnerable individuals. Keep an eye on children, elderly individuals, and those with chronic illnesses as they are more susceptible to heat related illnesses. Number 4, practice relaxation techniques. Engage in deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress and promote calmness during hot weather. Number 5, stay indoors during peak hours. Minimize outdoor activities during the hottest part of the day to reduce the risk of heat related illnesses. Do you know which foods you should include and avoid? Let's learn it. You should include water-rich fruits like watermelon, cucumber, muskmelon, oranges, hydrating vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Now, the foods to avoid: spicy foods, caffeine, alcohol, and everything which is fried and high in calorie, as they can increase internal body temperature and lead to dehydration. Those who are non-vegetarians, try to eat as less as possible animal protein as it increases body heat, and this can cause a heat stroke or heat stroke symptoms during this summer. By following these tips, you can stay healthy and beat the heat this summer. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the awareness and keep everyone safe. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your summer tips. Subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay cool, stay hydrated, and take care of yourself. See you soon.